in Ukraine, you have autonomous lethal weapons that are not super reliable, but the jamming environment is so heavy that both sides say it's better to deploy these. You end up seeing accidents and sometimes they're striking the wrong target, but the jamming becomes so intense that it's either that or no drones. Sort of race to the bottom on autonomous weapons, even though they're not reliable and maybe kind of unsafe. Another concern could be one surrounding safety. The US builds an autonomous drone boat and sends it out to the South China Sea, and it's patrolling around, and China's like, we need to get our drone boat out there, and so they deploy theirs, and then the US says, well, we need to deploy a swarm of boats, and we deploy theirs, and maybe both sides cut corners on safety because they've got to race to get it out there ahead of the others. And they're not super reliable in that instance. I think for a proof of concept of this, I think we could look at what the leading AI labs are actually doing today, which is basically rushing to push product that's not reliable and safe, right? But they're trying to get ahead of competitors. So I think like that's a very real dynamic.